Good morning, dear class. In our previous class, we have learnt about angle and its components. And in today's class, we will learn how to draw angle using protractor. So you have to look it carefully and you have to observe it carefully, and later on I will give you some homework. Okay children, so when you have to draw angles, then you have to take some tools with you. These may be your pencil, your scale and your protractor. First of all, you have to look this protractor very carefully. This protractor has some numbers written. Let's see it from the right side. Okay, here you can see 0, then after 10 small lines you can find another number 10, then after another 10 lines you can find another number 20. So whenever you start counting, then you count in ascending order. So here you can see some numbers in ascending order after equal intervals of 10, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and so on up to 180. And if you see it from the left side, also there are numbers from 0 to 180. But when we are starting, we are learning to draw angles, then first of all, we will start drawing angles from the right side of the protractor. Do remember, from the right side of the protractor, how we have to draw angles. Here you have to use a scale, your protractor and your ruler. Okay, so but I am using a red pen so that you can visualize it clearly. So I am drawing here a line. This is the first step. Now I am going to draw an angle of 30 degree. Okay, degree is the unit of angle. So first step is you have to draw a line here of any length and name it OA and mark a small line here so that you can visualize it from the protractor also. So the most important thing is to place protractor. If we have to draw an angle of 30 degree, then we have to place it perfectly for drawing any particular angle. So I am going to place it. Let us see how I am placing it. So let us see this black line you have in your protractor, okay, which is from starting from 0 and ending at 180. Can you see? And there is another line which is in the middle of it and going towards 90, and both of them are meeting here at a point. Okay, this point is important when you are placing it on a line. Now see how I am placing it on a line. First of all, I have placed it like this, but this is wrong. Now I am shifting it towards point O. This is point O and this is point A. Now this line, this point should be overlap point O, and this 0 should overlap point A. Let us see. Now I have placed it. Now any angle I can draw, but in this activity I have to draw an angle of 30 degree. So I am visualizing 0, 10, 20, then 30. तो 30 की सीध में जो भी आपको यहाँ पे सिंबल मिल रहा है, जो भी आपको लाइन मिल रही है, वहां पे आप इसको मार्क कर देंगे. you will mark here a point, and you have to name this point any point. You can name it any name, any point, any alphabet. So I am naming it B. Now I have to match O with B. Look here. Okay. Now I am marking the angle. This one is 30-degree angle. Okay. Now if you see it carefully, one more angle is there. This one. Okay, this is a smaller angle and this one is a greater angle. But we are drawing here 30 degree. So its measurement will not be 30 degree. This is 30 degree. Angle AOB is 30 degree. So I am going to erase it. Okay, now I am going to draw another angle of 120 degrees. So for that, again, I am drawing a line here on which I will draw the angle of 180 degree, 120 degree. So I am going to mark it again PQ. Okay. यहाँ पे इस पॉइंट P पे, यानी कि जहां से आप एंगल बनाना शुरू करने वाले, यहाँ पे थोड़ा गहरा डॉट लगाइएगा जिससे कि आपको प्रोटेक्टर के आर पार ये पॉइंट दिख जाए. ओके, सो दैट यू शुड पुट योर प्रोटेक्टर करेक्टली ओवर दिस लाइन. तो अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू प्लेस इट. जस्ट सी दिस लाइन 0-180 वाली जो लाइन है ये P और PQ लाइन के ऊपर आएगी, और ये जो 90 डिग्री को जो लाइन जा रही है, ये जहां पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है, ये पॉइंट जो है P के ऊपर आना चाहिए. ओके, दिस इज द मेन थिंग. यू हैव टू लर्न टू प्लेस योर D करेक्टली. नाउ आई हैव प्लेस्ड इट. ओके, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू count it. 0, 10, 20 and so on, 90, 100, 110, 120. Okay. Here I have placed a dot and now I am going to name it R. Now I will join P and R, and this one is another angle of 120 degrees. Okay. और एक चीज मैं कहना चाहूंगा, जो कॉमन मिस्टेक आप बच्चे करते हैं, वो कॉमन मिस्टेक है कि अगर मैंने आपको बोला 120 डिग्री का आप एंगल बनाएं, तो कुछ बच्चे यहां से गिनना शुरू कर देते हैं और उनको 120 यहां पे मिलता है. तो आपको उल्टी काउंटिंग नहीं करनी है, बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग नहीं करनी है, आपको फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग करनी है. 0, 10, 20, और जहां पे आपको 120 ये मिल गया, देन यू हैव टू point. You have to mark a point and then you have to join with P. Okay, so all the best. Now I am going to give you some assignments. Do it correctly. Thank you. Class, I hope that you might have learned how to draw angle using protractor. So do it carefully. All the best. Have a nice day.